Welcome back to Wheel Warrior, the channel where power meets passion on 3 wheels and 2. Today, we're diving into the bold and unmistakable presence of the Harley-Davidson Freewheeler, a trike that redefines freedom with attitude, performance, and iconic American styling. Design and style. The Freewheeler is unmistakably Harley. With stripped-down custom style, bobtail fenders, chrome accents, and mini-ape handlebars, it strikes a perfect balance between aggressive stance and laid-back cruiser vibes. Its hot rod-inspired look is further enhanced by enforcer wheels and a trunk that's both functional and seamlessly integrated into the body. Engine and performance. Powering this beast is the Milwaukee-Eight 114V twin engine, delivering torque-rich performance and that signature Harley rumble. Whether you're cruising highways or rolling through backroads, the Freewheeler offers smooth acceleration and confident handling. Thanks to the solid 3-wheel platform and responsive suspension setup. Comfort and features. This trike isn't just about looks and power, it's built for comfort. The low seat height, foot-operated parking brake, and spacious trunk make long rides effortless and practical. With electronic cruise control, reflex defensive rider systems, and linked brakes with ABS, the Freewheeler gives riders added control and confidence on any road. Ride experience. Riding the Freewheeler is a unique blend of freedom and stability. You get the wind-in-your-face thrill of a cruiser with the sure-footedness of a trike. It's perfect for riders who want long-distance touring comfort without compromising on classic Harley performance and personality. Conclusion. The Harley-Davidson Freewheeler is more than a trike, it's a statement. Bold, powerful, and built to turn heads while eating up the miles. For riders ready to embrace the road on 3 wheels with unmistakable style, this is the ride to beat. Thanks for watching Wheel Warrior, where we ride hard, ride smart, and never settle for ordinary.